4 years back. So until then, from 2008, there were actually presence of the polio was found in 4 countries. That is Pakistan, Afghanistan, India and Nigeria. So now, if you take the first alphabet of all these countries, it's going to be P. So we have removed the IN as of now, and only PA is pending. I think in the next few years we will be eradicating all those things. So our flagship is this polio drop vials, which we have been giving it to all the countries. And to support us, the Microsoft giant, Bill Gates, he is actually offering 35 billion as the donation to our Rotary Club. This actually started out in 2007 or 8, wherein he committed, if you can collect 10 million US dollars, he would fund a double of that. So by all the commitment of the Rotarians all over the world, we brought that figure, and from then onwards, it's a non-stop thing wherein Bill Gates has been regularly funding our polio movement. Way back in 1964, there was actually a person who wanted to see that we want to do something for the kids. Because Rotarians were present and everybody were helping out for the community. And in 1964, the chapter for the young kids started off, wherein the kids studying from the standard of 5th to 7th were to be included to the Rotary fold as interact. And the children from 8th standard to 12th standard are to be included under the name of interact. And students above 18 years, up to 30 years, they come under a club known as Rotaract Club. And the membership for Rotary is not open to all, it is only by invitation. And people above 30 years can join this particular club. So for the interactors, today here we are actually starting off with the Interact Club. So I am going to give you a few tips or the details about the Interact Club, what you have to do, what are the things. Before coming to that, I would just like to tell you that for better administration's sake, there has been a hierarchy. In your school, you also have a hierarchy where you have one class teacher, there is another teacher who teaches you history, mathematics, separate subjects, right? And for the administration side, wherein they look after your fees, the housekeeping, the meetings, XYZ, for that, the administration department is there, wherein those people do not come into the teaching section. So these people are known as the non-teaching staff and have the teaching staff. Similarly in this, we also have divisions. For better administration, apart from the country, as we have the states and district and taluks, in Rotary also we have districts. And our district, Bangalore, consisting of 104 clubs, wherein we cover an area from Tumkur, Mandya, then we have Kanakpura, then we have Kadahasti, Tirupati, and the Bangalore urban. We come under a district known as 3190. It is not that there are 3000 clubs. Okay, it is a naming wherein the sub-districts can be created here. So in India, we have around 32 districts. And under the district, you have several clubs. You have Rotary Bangalore, you have Rotary Greater Bangalore, you have Rotary Indranagar, you have Rotary Midtown, you have Rotary Jayanagar, you have Rotary South, Rotary North, Rotary Northwest, and I represent Rotary Bangalore Vijayanagar. Since my residence is in Vijayanagar, I found it very easy to see that I could join this club there, since the meetings and all those things occur in our area itself. A basic requirement of the Rotary Club is that every week there should be a meeting. So we regularly meet on Wednesdays in the evening after our daily work, and we carry out sessions. Apart from this, as I told you, for the better administration, to run a club, there is a president. To support the president, there will be a secretary and a joint secretary. A person who looks after the finance is the treasurer. And to support him, there would be 5 directors. 5 directors looking after different avenue of services. First would be the club service, wherein the person being the club service director would look into the overall performance or the requirements of the club. What would be the requirements of the club? Basically, in this meeting, when we conduct the meetings, the person should see that he would invite a good speaker or an interested person who would be able to give information, whatever is required by the Rotarians. So at times we see that we invite people who could make us laugh, humor, or give us information about some particular topics about Rotary. Because Rotary has so many wings, so everybody would not be knowing all the information. So they would be invited, and at that meeting, the presenting of the memento or seeing on the table, you make the meeting table as you have an arrangement here. You keep the water bottles, the agenda for the meeting, etc. That will be in charge of the club service director. You would also look into some various aspects wherein we conduct family meets. So in the family meet, the entertainment is looked after, wherein there would be singing, dancing, or any other entertainment packages. Apart from this, you have the second director who would be in charge of the community service. What do we do there in the community service? Community service is an avenue wherein we conduct health camps for various parts of the community. Maybe it is the rural section or the urban, or for the kids, wherein we go into the rural areas. As here in Kanakpura last month, we had conducted a health camp wherein we had around 485 members who benefited out of this mega health camp. In this mega health camp, we did that. We had the general checkup, then the cardiology checkup, dental, then you had eye checkup, ECG, and all those things. These are the facilities wherein if you see on the bigger hospitals, they charge you FT. But from the Rotary side, we donate that amount to the hospitals and see that these tests are conducted so that the rural folk are benefited. As you very well know that due to the upliftment of the rural folk, the farmers, we are able to rise up on the technology side. If they do not give us our food grains, would we able to go into the technology? No. So we see that we also uplift them. Apart from that, we also conduct veterinary camps wherein we take doctors to see that their animals, that is the cattle, are checked out, and if they are having any other disease or anything, we would be giving the required medicines and help them out in that scenario. Next, we have this vocational service wherein we help people who want to become independent on their own, and we conduct classes for them, probably computer training or tailoring or wax model making, XYZ. We have various occasions in that, so we conduct that. And next we have the youth services, wherein we, the director, would be looking after the interact and the Rotaract clubs, see that they function in the required manner and help them out to get speakers or inter-meetings with the interact clubs, joint meetings. In a similar fashion, we have the international director also, who would be looking into making communications with the other clubs and getting information as what they are doing, anything new is there, where you can learn and you can implement that in your club. These are the scenarios what we